I honestly can't believe people are still paying so much money to get gems and coins on Hunting Sniper when you can get it for absolutely free on both Android and iOS. All you simply need to do is to pull up your browser and you want to come over to this website, gemtosa.com. Okay, so once you come over to this website, all you need to do is to scroll up and you're going to find Hunting Sniper right here. Okay, so you want to click on it. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is an event that is going to give you 500,000 gems and coins for absolutely free. All you just simply need to do is to enter your Hunting Sniper username right here. So once you enter your Hunting Sniper username like this, all you just need to do is to click on receive gems and coins. And once you do that, it's going to look for your Hunting Sniper account and it's going to bind these gems and coins to your Hunting Sniper account. So once the whole process is complete like this, all you just need to do from here is to click on the Claim Now button. And this is going to send the gems and coins to your Hunting Sniper account.